prepped one half of my face with moisturizer and then this side primer. I have a sample of the Haus Labs foundation. Heard so many mixed reviews, and so I got a sample. This is in shade 030. I think the shade match should be good because the other one was too light. It was like ghostly white. And buff it into the skin. Seems to be melting into the skin pretty well. This is the moisturized side. It is beautiful, but I just don't know how it's gonna wear. And let's see on the primer side. Okay, just straight up. Okay, so in person, this side with the moisturized side looks fine. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just gone a bit weird in that spot. But overall, sitting okay. That is something I'm gonna have to watch out for. But this is how we're looking. I feel like it looks really pretty on the skin. I'm a bit concerned about that one spot, and I don't know why it's sitting like that right there. But I'm gonna go off and do my usual makeup. Just finished my base makeup. Probably my only concern is around the mouth. It's just looking a little bit weird. So just here and around here. I normally spray the crap out of my face with setting spray, but to make this fair, I'm only going to do one side of my face with setting spray, so I'm going to do the moisturized side. So we're just going to see how this wears throughout the day. Hopefully it wears really nicely. It's 12:30 currently, so let's see how long I can wear this without it breaking apart. I'm just really concerned about the mouth area and around here. It was only after I did concealer, I think, and powdered. It's the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer, just a little bit, and the Studio Matte Fix Plus, which is what I use all the time. So I know it's generally not the powder normally, but with this foundation, I don't know if they're a good combo. So I've been wearing this foundation for 6.5 hours. I put it on at 12:30. I just had soup, so to be honest, it's lasting pretty well. It still didn't really stay in this area where it was a bit of a problem, but I think I rested my hand there. This side's not too bad. It's like your skin, but better in some ways. It's so glowy. My glasses did remove some of the foundation, but to be honest, a lot of foundations that I wear, my glasses do that anyway, so I can't really fault the foundation considering my glasses do that. It settled a little bit better here. It's still a bit funky around this area, so that is something I'm gonna have to look into. I haven't done any touch-ups, nothing like that. I just let it sit. So really up close. Yeah, it's just sitting funny here, and it didn't like quite cling on here and here. It looks a bit funny. I mean, I also need to really do a face mask, but yeah, and then because I wiped my nose, it came off around my nose. So I mean, to be honest, it's looking okay. I feel like if I powdered, it would look a little bit better, but just know that I do have like weird spots on my face where it's not like quite, where it's not sitting as nicely. And this space over here where it looked funny before, it's not too bad now. It's sort of settled. I think the primer, or the way I sat the foundation originally, was just a bit weird, and now that I smoothed it out with my finger and the natural oils are coming through, it's sitting a lot better. But yeah, just be mindful that it can come off the skin quite easily. We'll give it another try again, maybe tomorrow or something, and see how it sits, reapply it, redo it all, and see if it sits a little bit better in these areas, and I will do another video with an update.